Do you want to master Python lists fast? In 4 minutes I'll show every list method you actually need, with examples. Let's go. Lists are Python's flexible ordered containers. They store items, let you change them, and they have lots of built-in methods to make life easy. I'll show append, extend, insert, remove, pop, clear, index, count, sort, reverse, and copy, with quick demos. The append method adds a single item to the end of a list. Here, the list 1, 2, 3 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 after calling append 4. It's the easiest way to grow a list one item at a time. Then extend method adds multiple items from another iterable, like a list or tuple. For example, 1, 2 extended by 3, 4 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like using append repeatedly, but in one step. Next, insert lets you add an item at a specific position. The first number is the index where you want it inserted. In this example, inserting 2 at index 1 puts it between 1 and 3, giving 1, 2, 3. Next, remove deletes the first matching value from the list. Here, the first 2 is removed from 1, 2, 2, 3, leaving 1, 2, 3. Be careful, if the item isn't found, it raises a value error. Pop removes and returns an item by index. Without any index, it removes the last element. So a.pop returns 3, and then a.pop 0 removes the first item. It's useful when treating a list like a stack. Then clear simply empties the list. After calling clear, you get an empty list. It's a clean way to reset a list without deleting it. Then, index finds the first position of a given value in the list. It also allows optional start and end positions for searching within a range. For example, B first appears at index 1, and again at index 3 when we start searching from position 2. Then count tells you how many times a value appears. In this case, the number 2 appears 3 times in the list, 1, 2, 2, 2. Then, sort arranges the list items in order, by default ascending. You can also set reverse equals true for descending order. For instance, 3, 1, 2 becomes 1, 2, 3 after sorting, and 3, 2, 1 when reversed. Then, reverse flips the list order in place. It doesn't create a new one. So, 1, 2, 3 becomes 3, 2, 1 instantly. Finally, copy creates a shallow duplicate of the list. Unlike assignment, it makes a separate list in memory. Here, when we append 4 to B, only it changes, while the copy C stays 1, 2, 3. This is one of the most important differences between reference and copy in Python. That's every major Python list method, short, clear, and powerful. If you found this useful, drop a like, comment your favorite method, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials.